All is well, students. Let's start some remaining topics of chapter 9, that is soil. The topics to be covered in this representation are percolation rate, second one is moisture in soil, third one is absorption of water by soil, and last one is soil and crops. First, we are going to find percolation rate of any soil sample. In last presentation, we have seen that the sandy soil percolates water easily. Now, we are going to learn how to find this percolation rate of any soil sample. Suppose that for a certain sample, it took 40 minutes for 200 ml of water to percolate. So we can find rate of percolation by using the formula percolation rate of soil sample is equals to amount of water in ml divided by percolation time in minute. Now we are having amount of water that is 200 ml and percolation time is 40 minutes. So after calculating this, we get 5 ml per minute as the percolation rate of our sample. Our next topic is moisture in soil. In a hot summer day, perhaps you notice that the air above the land is shimmering. This is because the vapors coming out of the soil and the air above the soil seems to shimmer. So, let's find whether the soil containing moisture or not with the help of this experiment. Here we take a boiling tube and put 2 spoonfuls of soil sample in it. Heat it on a flame and observe it. After some time, the water in the soil evaporates, moving up and condenses on the cooler inner walls of the upper part of the boiling tube. Here you can see the droplets of water on the sides of this test tube. It indicates that the soil containing moisture. Our next topic is absorption of water by soil. Take 75 gram of soil in a funnel, add 400 ml of water in a measuring cylinder. This is initial volume of water and is denoted by UML. Now, the water which drains out is collected in the measuring cylinder which is kept under the funnel. That is the final volume of water in measuring cylinder and it is 100 ml and is denoted by VML. Therefore, this is the water collected in the cylinder and it is denoted by VML, that is 100 ml of water. Therefore, volume absorbed of water by the soil is equals to U minus V. Here, weight of the soil is equals to 75 gram. Initial quantity of water in the cylinder is 400 and final quantity of water, that is V, is equals to 100 ml. Now put these values in this formula, that is percentage of water absorbed by the soil is equals to U minus V upon initial quantity of water multiplied by 100. You know that the value of U is 400 ml and the value of V is 100 ml. So 400 minus 100 divided by 400, multiply it by 100 to find the percentage. After calculating this, we get the answer as 75. Therefore, 75% of water is absorbed by the soil. You can find percentage of water absorbed of different soil samples and can find which type of soil retains the highest amount of water and which retains the least. So, our next topic is soil and crops. You know that soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature and light and humidity. These factors as well as components of soil determine the various types of vegetation and crops. For crops like rice and cauliflower, clayey soil is required. Clayey and loamy soil are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. For lentils and other pulses, loamy soil which drain water easily are required, and for watermelon and tomato, sandy loam soil is suitable. Now students, there is a work for you. Find from your parents and farmers the type of soils and crops grown in your area. Thank you. Have a good day.